Help, I only have 5 minutes exactly before my Halloween party and I have to do something right now, but all I have is like eyeshadow. Great, that you came to the right place. I'm doing my timer right here. I will literally, actually I know where to put it. All right, we're already losing time. Revolution palette. This is the best. I can't open it. I'm losing time. What do I do? Okay. Whew. Grab large brush. This one's good. And do this color. We're gonna do like a black eye. I start with like a yellow here. If this isn't picking up the shade, I'm gonna grab something else. I'll look in my mirror while I do this. That would probably help. Because this light may not be very good. Oh, I already lost a minute. All right. Yellow is a great start. Just go over your entire eye. All right, I have to move this light because it's not showing actually what I do. Great, great. That's way better. Drop that brush. Grab a new brush. I'm gonna take some of this green right here, and I'm just gonna kind of put it like all over, not in any one specific place. And I'm also gonna just kind of brush that lightly over the other eye, really fast. And I'm gonna take this, like, if this is like a blue color, I think, I'm gonna just like kind of put that on the other eye to kind of, and go along the other eye right here. It's like kind of a blue-gray, gaunt kind of look. Yeah, that's already great. Alright. Kind of randomizing that. New brush. Alright, I'm gonna grab like a burnt red. I mean that right there. You can see what I'm doing. I'm going right in the crease. My brush was like kind of wet. That's not ideal. Bruises, the good thing about them is you can't do them super wrong, because bruises can look like a lot of things in real life, but if you really want it to look like a specific, you know, black eye, like honestly sometimes I just like look up pictures if you're not like super grossed out by that. There we go, one more. Alright. I'm gonna take I have like this purple is not really what I'd use, but I'm gonna use purple and hopefully like it'll look okay because I'm layering it over this. I might just add some like some brown. Oh my god, I only have 2 minutes. What do I do? Ah! Alright, cool. Black eye, done. Other eye, done. We're gonna take blush. I'm using a cream. Hopefully you have these things. If you don't, I don't know, I didn't prepare that much. I'm gonna like put this all on here. It's like skin irritation around a cut. And also maybe I'll put some here. And here. Actually on my lip too. Because I have a minute left. I can do it. I can do it. I'm gonna take, oh, alright, I have this like lipstick, but it's also like a, it's like a tint. I'll go right there. And then along this side. Wow, 5 minutes is really fast. Alright. Oh my god. I have 30 seconds. Ah! Alright, I'm gonna try to use this. This might be too sparkly. It's a lip liner. No, 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 no. Wait, where is it? Oh, it fell out. This is terrible. What do I do? Alright, I'm gonna use this instead. This also might not work. That was better, actually. I have 9 seconds. Alright, that was my timer. How did I do? Not bad. Alright, let's say you had another 2 minutes. I wanted this video to be exactly 5 minutes. That would have been really cool. Let's say you have an extra time. But honestly, like, you can go to a party like this and say, I'm Tyler Durden in Fight Club, or whatever it is, or like you're a plague victim or something. I don't know. Whatever it is. I would take white and just go along here. You're trying to do like a scar. It's a scar. The white is like that heel tissue. So let's say this is like an actual like cut that just happened. If you don't have like any type of blood, although like honestly I feel like everyone like at some point has fake blood for like some Halloween. It's just like sitting in their house somewhere. Let's say you don't have that, you can grab corn syrup and red food coloring. I'll have to call this 5 to 8 minutes because technically, you know, 5 or potentially 8 minutes if you have an extra 3. Maybe let's do some on like the lip as well. Oh, I'm trying not to get this on the floor. It's actually my first time filming in my brother's room. He doesn't live here anymore, so I took his room over. I'm gonna do it over here too, just because it kind of looks incomplete. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Whatever. You're a superhero action movie, something. You're good. You're ready. Thanks for watching. This was 9 minutes instead of 5, so that's okay. See you later, alligator.